Hello, welcome back to Happy Learning with Radhi Gopakumar. Today I would like to deal with analytical paragraph. As you know, the story writing has been replaced with the analytical paragraph. Out of the 2 questions, you have to answer only one and it carries 5 marks. Don't forget to adhere to the word limit 120 to 150. Analytical paragraph. What is analytical paragraph? Have you heard about analysis? Let's have a look at the word analysis. Okay. Analysis is a careful evaluation, just not the word, evaluation of the given data or facts given in a report, chart, graph, diagram, etc. in order to derive useful information by describing or summarizing the facts. That is, transferring the data from non-verbal images to verbal form. So you may be given some pictures or graphs or maps or charts like that. You have to transfer the data from non-verbal images to verbal form. So it is a descriptive form of writing. It is brief, and don't forget to use the same tense form and passive form always. What we have to do? How to write an analytical paragraph? Just keep these points while writing. First, you have to read the question clearly. That is, you have to find out the facts given in the question because the topic sentence that will be given in the question. So, the sentence which is given in the question will be your topic sentence. Then, present the evidence using supporting sentences using transition words. I'll tell you in detail what are transition words. So, you have to identify the topic sentence, then you have to prove with the evidence using supporting sentence. Conclude the paragraph expressing your views collected from the data. Just keep in mind, do not write your personal views, what views you have collected from the data. Let's have a look at the structure of analytical paragraph. An analytical paragraph must have an introduction, body and conclusion. Let's check what are they. Introduction. Explain in 1 or 2 lines the topic which is given in the question. That is, identify the topic sentence from the question. The sentence that represents the topic sentence will be your main sentence. So don't write in detail in the first paragraph, that is introduction paragraph. You should not write anything in detail. Just mention the topic sentence, what you have identified from the question. Okay. Then let's move to the second part of analytical paragraph, that is body. In body, there will be 2 paragraphs. There must be at least 2 paragraphs. And here, you are going to share your views to the readers. So what you have to do? Elaborate the topic sentence. So you have identified a topic sentence from the question. Here in the body part, you have to identify and elaborate the topic sentence using supporting sentences. You have to look at the images and write in detail what the image is about. Here you can compare and contrast, and you can write about similarities, different trends, emphasis, etc. Try to write 2 paragraphs. Maximum try to use the figures and percentages given in the image. Now let's move to the conclusion part. Finally, you have to conclude the paragraph using your overall views. Okay. Again, let me tell you, write at least 3 or 4 paragraphs. Write the title analytical paragraph. Then introduction. In the introduction section, topic sentence will be written as introduction sentence. Then body, there will be 2 or 3 paragraphs. It is better you just limit it with 2 paragraphs. Elaborate and explain topic sentence with evidence using supporting sentence, prove reasons and facts. Last but not least, para 4, conclusion. Here you have to sum up the overall ideas. So check the quality of your vocabulary and use the apt words to convey your findings. Connect the topic sentences with supporting sentences using transition words. As I have already told you, I would explain what are transition words. So some transition verbs are being discussed in this part. So at least by heart these transition words. Transition words or phrases are used to connect the topic sentence and to switch to a new idea. So transition words are words which are used to connect topic sentences with supporting sentences and at the same time which help us to switch to a new idea. Alright, so I am going to read out the transition words. So you just try the following transition words to connect the sentence. At least you by heart at least 2-3 words. Okay. To show similarity, we can use also, likewise, similarly. To show contrast, you can use on the other hand, in spite of, yet, etc. In order to show position, you can use first, second, next, then. To show time, meanwhile, recently, earlier. Example, you can use for example to illustrate. In order to emphasize, you have to say intact or truly. Place, above, nearby, there. Providing extra, moreover, besides, again. Conclusion, in brief, on the whole, to sum up, etc. Okay, so to analyze your findings, you can use the given words also. In order to show down position, you can use fall, decline, drop. To show up, you can use increase, rise, grow. To show same position, no change, remain the same, unchanged. Fluctuation, constant change, unstable. Okay. Now let's have an example here. The graph given shows the estimated sales of mobile in Kerala in 2020. Write an analytical paragraph describing the line graph in about 150 words. So you could see in the x-axis 7 months were written and in the left side y-axis lakhs are written there. The line graph depicts the estimated sales of mobile phone in India for a period of 6 months or 7 months in 2020 in lakhs. In January 2020, the sales stood at 10 lakhs and remained the same in the month of February. It steadily increased through the next month and peaked to 15 lakhs in the next month of the year. However, the sales of mobile phones started to plummet over the next 2 months and unexpectedly remained the same, then slightly increased and hit 30 lakhs in the month of June. Then there is a slight decrease in the month of July. Overall, the estimated sales of mobile has increased in 2020. The sales were the highest in the month of June and lowest in the month of January and February. There is a slight decline in the month of July. So let's wind up the session here. Thank you.